going to our army.
Yeah.
Okay, whoa, where are we? Where are we?
Where
are we?
We're in the right house.
We're at the right, is this supposed to be the wrong house?
We're outside.
We are outside in the side backyard, because we have a backyard in the side backyard. And we're playing some awesome Nerf war action here. Well, let's make, because we have a backyard in the side backyard. And we're playing some awesome Nerf war action here. Well, let's make a deal. We're doing a part 2 of this. You guys loved the last time whenever you guys saw the massive, huge Prometheus, that modified hopper.
Which I used.
Awesome. Who used that? Liam. This guy right here, Liam. You used it, yeah? Eli? So wait, who won last time? So that was Liam that won. So Eli, you gonna win this time?
Yeah, I'm gonna win something.
You're gonna win something?
Win.
You know you're gonna win? He doesn't even know. 10,000 Robux or V-Bucks, depending upon whichever one they want to choose. But it's gonna be so much fun. Let's make a deal. Everybody knows how this works. It's gonna be 3 boxes. Here they are, right here. 1, 2, and 3.
Do we have the secret door?
What's that?
The secret door.
Well, instead of the secret door, we have over here the secret box. Hey, no moving it. No moving it. What are you doing? What are you doing? No moving it. No moving it. Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is rock, paper, scissors to determine who is going to spin first.
Stupid, I hate rock, paper, scissors.
No, fine. So instead, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do, pick a number between 1 and 3. Which one did you pick?
I picked 2.
So you have 1 or 3, pick one. 1? You're whispering 1? Well, the right answer was 2!
Yeah! Because I was gonna pick it, he did, so why not me? That's cheating.
It's not cheating,
Yeah.
You took forever.
He was first.
You took forever. Okay, Eli, you ready to spin the wheel? Okay, here we go. This is the wheel of mystery. It's all labeled 1, 2, 3, and there's you pick. Okay, so the order of boxes is this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Which box are you hoping you land on?
I want to pick 2.
Box number 2.
What's number 2?
This middle one right here.
I'll do number 2.
Oh, he has to spin. Okay, so you rooting for box number 2?
Let's see what
Okay, here we go. You gonna spin?
Please don't get 2.
Here we go.
Please don't get 2.
2 it is. Okay, now here's the deal, kiddo. Let me see. Hold on. Do I make a deal with you or not? Let me see. Hold on, let me shake it.
Oh,
No, leave it. Leave it. Okay.
Something feels light in here.
Something feels light?
It feels like light.
Okay, interesting. Let's see here. You know what? I will not make a deal with you. So you're gonna have to choose. You're gonna have to keep box number 2. Okay, go ahead and open it. And what did you get? Ah, the trilogy. That's a decent gun. Okay, Liam's up. It's time to spin the wheel of mystery to see whether or not Liam's gonna get box 1 or 3. You're choosing 1? Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
I like you can pick number 1 because it's stupid.
Oh, number 1. There it is.
No.
Well, it's not your decision. It's my decision. You chose box number 1. Now, I will make a deal with you, Liam. Liam, do you want to keep your box number 1, or do you want to see what's inside the mystery box way over there?
Are you
You're going to choose mystery box again.
Are you sure?
Look, remember, whatever is inside that box.
That box looks like small, and it doesn't look like a good gun.
That's exactly my point.
It looks like it's small.
That is exactly my point. What do you think,
pistol.
Twin Toy Army? You think you should have picked this mystery box or not?
It feels like it's a pistol, it looks like.
Now, hold on a
I
second.
think it's a pistol in there because it looks small.
Hold on. Whatever's in here, you're going to choose, okay?
If maybe it's a pistol,
Are you sure you want this box?
It's bad stuff.
Oh, not bad. Retaliated, even though we all said that we do not like this at all.
Then why am I having it?
Well, it's what's inside a mystery box. It's what you picked. That's right. Eli, it's up to you. Do you want to keep your trilogy, or do you want to open up box number 1 that Liam passed up?
Box number 1.
You want box number 1?
Yes.
Let's see what's inside box number 1. Okay, a little strife action.
That's good.
Not too bad. Oh, this is going to be a decent battle here. You got strife action versus Retaliator, even though we don't like Retaliator in this family.
Good.
So you guys ready to go?
Yeah. Wait.
It's going to be a good, decent battle here. They're going to go out there and
I'm
battle
ready.
in the Nerf arena.
Ready.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, who do you think's going to win? It's going to be intense. Okay, guys, stay tuned. It's going to be absolutely awesome.
I'm
Here we go. Okay, Eli, you ready?
Yeah.
Liam, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. It's going to be intense, guys. Here we go. You better stay tuned to the end because it's absolutely insane. Because I put a little surprise in there. They don't know that it's not guaranteed 10,000 Robux. You have to pick between 3 red cups, but you gotta stay tuned all the way to the end, okay? Here we go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Look at Liam. He's doing a stare down. He's just like, oh, I'm gonna play this game. I'll play this game. Look at this. Oh! He's already opened fire. Liam's already opened fire. Nope, you got me.
I got you!
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did!
Me. You got me.
Yeah, he got him.
What? I didn't even like this. Listen, for you go like this. Like that.
Oh, it's close.
If you hit my
I'll tell
head,
you what's
it's
gonna happen.
gonna
It's always gonna run out of bullets. And then the person with one more bullet left is gonna win. Oh, you never thought about that, did you? Yeah, because look, you have 25. And he only has 18. He's ducking. Look at this guy. He's ducking. Duck and move, duck and move.
Shoot.
Stick and move, stick and move. What are you doing?
Come on, Liam. Come on, Liam.
He's baiting you out. He's baiting you out.
If I shoot one more time, I'm gonna run out.
B.
Oh, look, he ran out of bullets. Get him, Eli.
Ah!
Liam, I think you ran out of bullets.
I did.
No, I think Eli ran out.
I ran out.
You ran out. Go get him. You ran out.
I ran out.
Go get him. Come on, you gotta go get him. You can't just sit here all day. What are you doing? What kind of strategy is that?
Just give me. I have no bullets. Just give me. I have no bullets.
Yeah, okay, you little sneaky man. Little sneakster.
What?
Oh, he's jammed! Wait! No, but you went out of bounds. Liam's out of bounds, doesn't count. You gotta stay in this arena, kiddo. You know this.
Oh, and I know that. I shot him right on the line.
I know, but you ran out of bounds. Yeah. Okay, play continues, go. You're getting close to out of bullets here. Oh, he got you.
Got ya.
He got you. That's one for Liam. It's okay, kiddo. That was insane. Everybody who picked Liam for the first round, obviously you got one. But will Eli sit there and take it? I don't think he will. I don't think so.
Did it.
He's gonna be able to avenge himself. It'll be so much fun. Okay, so stay tuned for round 2. Here we go. All right, kiddo, here we go. Round 2. You ready to go? Got you that first round. He snuck up and just got you right in the chest. That was insane, right? Okay, remember, if he wins this last one, it's over. And he wins all the 10,000 Robux. Okay, but listen to this one. Listen to this one. We got rule change. We got rule change, everybody. The rules have changed in this situation. What we're gonna do is the guys can't shoot unless they're by the black tires. So black tires is the only place they're gonna get to shoot.
What about
What?
these? Wait, what about
Nope,
these
those are
tires?
brown tires. Nope, black, like these
black.
ones. See these black ones? Liam, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Only black tires. Only black tires you can shoot from. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1.
With all of your bullets, and I can win the first one.
Ooh, that's a good point. That is a good
With all of
point.
your stinking stupid bullets.
Okay, look, there's a black one right here. Look at him, he's
Come
nonchalantly
on.
walking up.
Come on, waste your
Damn.
bullets. Come on, waste your bullets. Come on, waste your bullets. Have a happy ending.
What are you thinking? Bam. Look at his face. This is the patient waiting game. Uh-oh. Get him now, Eli. Get him now. Get him.
Oh, I got him!
No, it was the
Look,
stone. Keep
look
going.
at this.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Come on, baby.
Come on,
He's saying,
sweet
come on, baby.
cheeks.
Sweet chicks.
Come on, cry baby. Come on.
Oh, he's crossed the line. He's called you a crybaby. What are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do about it? You can do nothing. You're just gonna stand there and take it. Oh, direct hit! I'm even looking right at you. Anyway, Shabushka, right there.
Yeah.
I got
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
No, easy, easy. No, save the ammo. Get him next round. You get him next
Yeah.
round. Don't play poor sport. Okay?
I know.
We don't teach poor sports.
Ow, what?
Yeah, high fives. He doesn't sit around. He gets what he gets.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy, I don't think that made any sense. But anyway, Okay, here we go. Are you guys ready?
1-1.
It's 1-1, and it is time for round 3. Who do you think's gonna win? Is it gonna be Eli or Liam? You're absolutely insane. Remember, you only comment over TikTok. This video, the same video is gonna be over there. So,
Yeah.
if you don't know where we are, TikTok is @TwinToysFam, F-A-M. All right, okay, here we go. Round 3. All right, time for round 3, Mr. Eli. You ready to go? Look at that face. That's the face of a
George
determined
Washington.
champion. You're George
Josh
Washington.
Green looks like this.
Yeah. Let's take us out. You ready for round 3, the rules?
Yeah.
So in this one, guess what you have to do?
Yes.
You have to go all the way over there. You see that pillar?
Yeah.
You gotta go touch the fence before you can start shooting Liam. This time, this round, you gotta go all the way over to Eli's fence, touch it, turn around.
To Eli's what, friends?
Fence. Go over, touch the fence,
Okay.
and then turn around and start blasting Eli. Okay? Do you understand? Simple. But Eli's gonna come over here and touch your fence. Okay? Yeah. All right, Eli, you ready?
Yes.
Can you hear you? Yes?
Yes.
Liam, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. This is absolutely insane. Here we go. Round 3. Winner takes home the V-Bucks or the Robux. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Run, 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 run as fast as you can, run as fast as you can. Here they go. Oh, Eli touched. Eli touched. Liam touched. Oh, here we go. Oh, he's just going at him. That was close. Liam's open firing already. Look at this guy. Jeez Louise. He is the one with more, the heavier mag, the bigger mag. Whoa, right off the tire. What are you thinking? What's your strategy gonna be, kiddo? What's your strategy gonna be? Run? Okay, that's the strategy, run. Okay. Oh, look at this little situation we got going here. Look at Liam. Liam's ducking and weaving, using all these bunkers. Dun, 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 dun. You better watch out. He's just gonna open fire on you. We're gonna get behind a bunker.
That's what, man.
Yeah, man, what are you thinking? Look, right over his head. What's the strategy gonna be? You're just gonna sit here and hopefully you don't run out of bullets. Oh, you're getting close. You're getting very close.
Pause. Why is this?
Jam!
Wait! I'm not dead! Wait!
Don't run out of bounds! Don't run out of bounds! You got a jam situation.
Liam, that's cheating. You can't go in there.
Nope. Come on, kiddo, back in bounds.
Shoot him.
Back in bounds. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you saved, luckily. Oh, that was very close. That was right by his head. That was close. Jeez Louise. Did it hit?
No. Didn't. Yes. No, he didn't hit. No, he didn't. I'm turning. Flink.
No, I heard a flink too.
I heard a flink.
Look at Liam. Liam, tell the truth.
No. I heard a flink. I didn't do anything. I literally heard anything. You're making me laugh.
Where did it hit then? Look at him, he's lying.
Right here.
No, you don't go.
No, right.
No,
right
see,
here.
he
Right
knows.
here. Right
All right,
here.
I win.
Yay! Crap.
All right, now we're gonna go to the bonus round to get your
bonus
prize.
the bonus one?
Oh, exactly. There's a little bit of twist. There's a little bit of twist. It's
Yeah,
not guaranteed
it's over here.
that you're gonna get. Listen, it's not guaranteed you're gonna get your V-Bucks and Robux now. You have to pick one out of 3 cups. Change of events. Change of events. One could be a bogus, one could be okay of a prize, and one could be your 10,000 V-Bucks or Robux. You ready to go? You ready to go? Okay, let's figure it out. Let's figure it out. Let's figure out what you're gonna win. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Here's the 1, 2, and 3.
Okay, Eli, come here, kiddo.
Pick.
Here we go. We have
Which
cup.
one?
1, 2, or 3. One of these has 10,000 Robux or V-Bucks. The other one has a mediocre prize, and the other one is just a, you don't want it. So which one are you gonna choose?
1, 2.
Ah! A receipt.
What's a receipt?
I don't know. Does it say anything on the receipt?
10,000 Robux.
There's
10,000
it.
Robux or V-Bucks!
Oh, you picked
I
it!
did not know that!
You picked it! High five, kiddo!
That was the first try. I don't even know
Yeah,
that.
well, no, you only get one try, and you got it.
You know, how did I know what is 10,000? It's because I thought that one is bad, and this one was middle, and this one was high.
So you thought this one was bad?
Yeah, and then this one was middle.
Okay, no, this one was middle.
high.
This one was bad. Just darts.
What's this
No,
one?
don't worry about it. You'll find out next time.
Wait, why is there a card?
Don't worry about it. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Because you won. Yeah, Liam, who's behind the camera.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
I'm glad you guys had fun.
It
Hope you
was
guys had. Yeah. Okay, kid, which one are you gonna pick? V-Bucks or Robux?
I'm gonna pick Robux.
You're gonna pick Robux?
Robux.
Okay. Okay, kiddo. I'm glad you guys had fun. Glad you guys had fun out there. Let's see if Liam can avenge, or Eli can hold his title. See what happens next time we play Let's Make a Deal. This was the End Strike version. Maybe next time we'll do the Mega version. Okay?
What's the mega version?
Mega blasters. Red blasters. Big, huge darts. Like these guys.
Yes.
Megas. Okay. We'll see you next time, friends. Bye.
Wasn't the video awesome? If you want to see more videos like this, click the Twin Toys icon below. There's so many more Nerf videos to see.
So make sure to subscribe so you never miss another video again. Thanks for watching, and always remember, PBT all the way.